Hey, my name is Dianna 𝗃𝗀, and this is my garage. When I saw the finished building, I was so impressed. They came out here early that morning and I had to work that night, but I had my security camera on, and so I went back and saw like hour by hour by hour how fast 4 men put this beautiful garage up. I have been wanting a garage. I've lived here since '99, and of course we're right down Tornado Alley with all the hell and everything. So I had been wanting one for a long time, but financially wasn't able to. I was so excited that this was doable, easy, and up in one day. I mean, I love it. I've lived here for 25 years, and everything that I've got is stored in the house. So I've got all that in there now that was like in my hallways. I looked at a couple, and what really got me going, I started looking at their website and comparing their time frame, their financing, all the reviews, and so everything was doing A+. There's some other companies around this area, but nothing that I was impressed with, nothing that had the look I was wanting. Red is my favorite color, okay? And then, of course, we gotta have the black trim. And then you gotta have something to set it off, so let's throw some white in there, you know, to make it bling. I went in and just looked at it and opened up the windows and got the breeze that went through, because I got windows on all sides, and it was just so comfortable, and so it smelled new and fresh. I just loved it. Allen's factory outlet was so helpful from the very beginning to the process before, talking all the way throughout. I could not ask for a more at ease building. I would recommend Allen's factory to anybody in the world. Family, friends, strangers, they are wonderful. I could not thank Allen's Factory Outlet enough for them checking up on me, asking for my review, because this is the most perfect thing that has happened to me in a very long time. I love my garage.